Today we're changing the headlight on this Indian Scout. First things first is to remove the three 6mm Allens on each side of the headlight. Next, we're going to remove the two Phillips head screws on each side of the headlight housing. After that's done, you can unplug the H4 connector and the two factory blade connectors. After that process is complete, remove the 4 clips using a dental pick or a flathead that are around the headlight. So I forgot to film the reinstall, but it's just like taking them out. Pop them all back in once you get the headlight in centered. Now what I'm doing here is actually heat shrinking the factory blade connectors because they're not used on this install. Reinstall the headlight exactly how you removed it by placing it back into the housing and installing the two Phillips head screws. After you've reinstalled the Phillips head screws, you can put the external housing back on and the following 6mm Allens. Now you can see a comparison between the old factory bulb and now the new LED headlight. Here's low beam and here's high beam. So this headlight came from Amazon. It was actually very affordable. Most of them are. Any 5 3/4 headlight will work for your Indian and 90% of Harleys. I hope this video finds you well, allows you to quickly install your own headlight. And as always, be safe, ride smart, and keep the rubber side down. We'll catch you in the next one.